I saw one of them almost slip and fall, and I was like, all right, this is time to go. And I booked it over there, and I jumped over some rocks to get over there, and thankfully there was an indent to where I could put my feet like this and prop myself up, and then they grabbed my wrists and I pulled them up. I turn on my EMS scanner and I listen for anything going on, and I have notes of which streets I should be on the look for. Obviously I can't swing around due to the buildings being small and I don't have a car. My intentions is to help the people of Greenville and protect, and honestly spread kindness along the way.